In this video, I'll show you how to use Loom to record your screen. So the Loom screen recorder is a great tool that allows you to create quick and easy videos, record your screen, and also share these recordings for other people to go back and watch. Now, to get started, we just need to head over to the website loom.com, which is the official website, and then you can go and press Get Loom for free in the top right hand side. Now, the very first thing you'll need to do is go and create yourself a free Loom account. You can either sign up with Google or you can just go and enter your email address. And once you're signed in, you'll see this page like you see on the screen here. Now, the very first thing we need to do is actually go and install Loom onto our computer so we can begin creating screen recordings. Now, to do this, we can just click on the profile icon in the top right hand side. You then have two different options. You can either install the Chrome extension, and you can use this really easily on your internet browser, or you can download the desktop app. Now, I'll just be downloading the Chrome extension. So I'm going to go ahead and press Add to Chrome and then press Add Extension. Now, once this is finished installing, you can click on your extensions in the top navigation. You can click on this pin icon to go and pin this to your taskbar. And now you'll have this new icon over here called Loom. So in order to go and actually create your first screen recording, we can just click on the Loom icon. And from here, you'll have a few different options. So in the left-hand side, if you have a webcam, you can go and select that from the list. You can also go and select your microphone as well. So mine's this Yeti stereo microphone. And you need to make sure to press the button Allow while visiting the site. Now, in the right hand side over here, you'll also have some other options as well. So if you go and click on this full screen option, you can go and decide what you want to record on your computer. So you can go and decide to record everything, in which case we'd select full screen. You can record a specific window. You can record just a current tab, and you can also just record your camera. Now, I'll be recording the full entire screen. In the drop down, go and select whether you want to add a webcam or not, and then go and click on the microphone, and you want to make sure you have your microphone selected from here as well. Now, once you have everything set up, you can go ahead and press this Start Recording button. So it's going to pop up with this window, and we're going to select Entire Screen. You can also decide if you want to record your desktop audio. So for example, if you're playing a YouTube video in the background, you may want to go and record that YouTube video, in which case we want to select Record Desktop Audio. Now just go and click on your screen in the top left hand side, and then we can go and press Share. So now we're sharing our screen. You can go and do whatever you want on your computer, and all of this is going to be recorded. So once you've finished your recording, you'll see this record button in the bottom navigation. You can just go ahead and press Finish, and this will stop the recording. Now that will take you straight over to the Loom website, and this is where we can go and find all of our previous recordings. So you can see here is the recording that we just made. You can go and give this a name at the very top of the screen, and if you want to go and share this with other people, you can do that as well by clicking the Share Video button, and then you can go and invite someone via their email address to go and view this recording directly from the link that you go and send. You can also press Copy Link in the bottom navigation, and you can just go and send this link to anyone you want to view this video. Now do bear in mind that on the free plan, you'll only be able to make 25 videos per month, and each of these videos are restricted to 5 minutes in length. If you want to go and make videos longer than 5 minutes, you can always upgrade your plan by clicking Upgrade, and you can go and select a plan that's more suited to you. So if you go and click on Learn About Our Plans, you can see there's 3 different ones, and the main benefit to upgrading your plan is basically this feature: unlimited videos and unlimited recording time. So I would recommend just starting with the free plan, but if you do need to upgrade, you can go and do that. And that's how you use Loom on your computer. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.